How to play Pokemon TCG on Macbook. I'm going to clear up how to play Pokemon TCG on a MacBook because there are two different games and it's easy to mix them up. So if you're trying to play Pokemon TCG Live, you're in luck. It's made for desktop and fully supports Mac OS. Just go to the official Pokemon site, download the Mac version, install it, and you're good to go. No emulator needed. But if you're looking for Pokemon TCG Pocket, that's a mobile only game made for Android and iOS. There's no Mac version. To play it on your MacBook, you'll need to use Android emulator like BlueStacks Air or Mumu Player. Install the emulator, log into the Play Store, search for Pokemon TCG Pocket, and install it there. So, TCG Live runs natively on Mac. TCG Pocket needs an emulator.